Okay, yeah, this is Starcross railway station in Devon. I've just got off from Torquay and gonna have a little bit of a walk around here and get a bit of a vibe for the place. Quite a nice little village, and also thought I'd do a little bit of train spotting while I'm up here. Just there's quite a nice spot for train spotting. So in a moment on approaching will be a British Rail Class 802 or 800. They are quite similar looking, but it is a high-speed train, like one of the new high-speed models. So there are two classes, the Class 800 and Class 802, which apparently are very similar in appearance. So difficult to tell them apart. The power output is 940 horsepower per engine, and maximum speed is 125 mile per hour on this route, but it says minor modifications 140 mile per hour, so I think it's capable of doing higher speeds. Uses a pantograph, manufactured by Hitachi Rail Europe, who've been in service since August 2018 to present. Really nice, these new trains they've got. And when I cross over, we should see Intercity 125. There's a heron out there. Okay, so on the left hand side is the estuary and the place where you get the Exmouth ferry. So the ferry going across to Exmouth, and can get that on the left hand side. And up ahead on the right is the Brunel Atmospheric Railway pumping house, the older pumping house. Just in a moment, approaching will be an Intercity 125 high speed train. Apparently this class is officially the fastest diesel locomotive in the world, and an absolute maximum speed of 148 mile per hour. In regular service, speeds of 125 mile per hour. Oh, that was pretty scary, that. So these trains were built between 1975 and 1982. Diesel electric units. They are quite common along this route. I believe this train will have come from London Paddington. So normally come from London Paddington and go down as far as Penzance via Plymouth.
natural height. That's me. No, I know people say that, but then.
pretty narrow.